I would like to welcome all of you at Kafkas University in Azerbaijan. It's an honor for us to have you as our distinguished guest here at Kafkas University. Kafkas University is part of the Child Education Corporation and was founded in 1993. In this almost a little less than 20 years, Kafkas University has achieved a lot of in Azerbaijan educational sphere and has become one of the top universities among the Azerbaijani higher education institutions. Now I would like you to watch a brief presentation of our university. As you could see, part of the presentation we had some international students. I just hope that some of you might become one of those students in the future. Now I would like to welcome Head of the Translation and Interpretation Department, Dr. Narima Aliyeva, to deliver her speech.
Dear guests, Rector of Kafkas University, professor, teaching staff, and students. We're much honored to welcome the participants coming from 37 countries: Albania, Angola, Azerbaijan, Belarus, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Afghanistan, Philippines, Georgia and India, Indonesia, Iran, Iraq, Jordan, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Laos, Lithuania, Macedonia, Malaysia, Mexico, General African Republic, Mongolia, Myanmar, Nigeria, Pakistan, Romania, Polska, Slovakia, Cyprus, Tajikistan, Thailand, Taiwan, Turkey, Turkmenistan, Ukraine, Yemen, to the 5th UNEP iteration in our university. I want to congratulate you on behalf of Kafkas University on the occasion of the 5th International Environmental Project Olympiad, which will be held in the historical and touristic city Baku, Azerbaijan, in April 8 and 9, 2011. I would happily mention the increasing number of participated countries from 32 last year to 37 this year. We really appreciate organizations and people for a good job and believe in increasing number next year. Now let me provide you with some information about Kafkas University. As you have seen in the film, it was founded in 1993 according to the National Assembly Decree of Azerbaijan Republic approved by the Council of Ministers. Following the independence of Azerbaijan Republic and establishment of the university, Turkish businessmen and commercialists initiated their voluntary contribution to the education services through Child Educational Corporation. Kafkas University was the first and continues to be the only prominent and prestigious foreign university active in Azerbaijan. To these ends, Kafkas University acts as a mediator and educational bridge between Turkish and Azerbaijan governments, combining low experience, administrative and technical knowledge of Turkey, and positive features of unique and entirely different political and administrative background of Azerbaijan. We strive to produce knowledge, to advance individual perfection of our students, to open their minds, and enhance independent thinking, and to enable students to take best advantage. Learning opportunities at Kafkas University should liberate domestic and international students to explore, to seek, to develop, to create, to challenge, and to lead. With its dedication to the purest excellence, Kafkas University offers unique opportunities across a broad spectrum of academic, research, and social environments. Until 2003-2004, Kafkas University was temporarily operating in 2 service buildings. However, rotating number of students, domestic and international scholars, and researchers gained grant programs urging the utilization of the new facilities and research laboratories, with some of the cornerstone calling for the establishment of a new campus area, as previous facilities were not ample enough to to track these goals and objectives. Academic year of 2003-2004 was a year with new location and premises for Kafkas University. Consequently, the number of the department doubled and reached 20. Student number increased significantly up to 2,700. Local and international male and female students were provided with dormitory buildings and facilities in 2005-2006. There are 18 clubs for amateur groups, which in turn operates under health, culture, and sport department. 1,244 students work for these clubs and amateur circles. Students organize memorial and entertaining programs on the national holidays of Azerbaijan and Turkey, organize seminars, panels, and conferences on current issues in the world, and provide financial and spiritual support for poor families. The Student Youth Organization at Kafkas University, which was set up in 2005. The Student Youth Organization ensures students' active participation in public life, joining together under the principle of common interests. Kafkas University is the first and the only educational institution authorized by the Minister of Education of Azerbaijan to have a distinguished status, privilege in applying its own curriculum. Education system and programs of Turkish and Western universities are taken as a model in preparing the curriculums. The mission of Kafkas University is to provide students with an utmost level, distinct higher education that meets international standards, infuse them with enthusiasm to continue to reach new horizons, to endorse and encourage respect and insight in students for national and universal human values, and to play an active role for fostering excellence, cooperation, and interaction with international academic and business media. One of the main goals of Kafkas University is to become a world-renowned university. Since our opening, we have made it our primary objective to use the most modern educational technologies along with current teaching techniques. Kafkas University has also realized a series of innovations. One of these innovations is the application of the credit system in Azerbaijan for the first time. Another remarkable innovation is the application of the quality management system. Today, Kafkas University realizes Tempus Grant Program. Our university cooperates with 3 universities in Azerbaijan and 5 European universities. Kafkas University signed an agreement on cooperation with those different famous universities, American Troy University, Northern Iowa, Massachusetts Amherst, German Zegen University, Italian Genoa University, Eastern Korean University, Wusan University, French Nine Sofia, Antipolis University, Turkish Atatürk, Istanbul Gazi Fatih Mevlana Universities, Polish University of Technology and Life Sciences, Economics and Computer Science, Chalmers Technology University of Sweden, National Technical University of Athens of Greece, Gahire, Einstein, Banu Swaif Universities in Egypt, Nuris University of Northern Cyprus, and with Eastern Mediterranean University. Kafkas University is known to be a highly qualified educational institution in academic circles and has won both the Azerbaijani people's and government's confidence and sympathy with its disciplined educational system. Kafkas University is a multicultural university where many international students and professors work and study together. According to the State Student Admission Committee, the university was named as the most preferred university since 1996. Kafkas University is a leading competitor among the universities in filling the student quota designated and approved by the Minister of Education of the Azerbaijan Republic. The Journal of State Student Admission Committee stated that Kafkas University has acquired the status of leading university and higher education institution. The university is unique with its special opportunities, benefits, discounts, and educational grants provided to students with distinct academic accomplishments and scores. Attention that it shares to all local and international students, and good organizational culture. In addition to the academic discipline, high education standards, and developed student vision, Kafkas University is eager to assist graduates with future career opportunities. As a result of this ongoing incentive, the university has gained a nationwide reputation and attracts brilliant and hardworking students who achieve high scores in the centralized university entrance examination held nationwide. Last year, 100,000 students participated in an annual university entrance exams. 4 of the 7 students who scored 700 points granted with presidential scholarship and enrolled at Kafkas University. Besides, 25 out of 100 students were given the right of choice to study in any faculty of Kafkas University. Azerbaijan Republic gave the opportunity to 261 students to get education at any private university, and 255 of them preferred to study at Kafkas University. You might have asked such a question, why the students scoring 700 points preferred Kafkas? Because Kafkas is a university with an ideal education and modern technology. In the end, I would like to mention that the most remarkable achievement of Kafkas University is its students. Our students are respected for their show of love for humanity, their motherland, and for their nation. They are also respectful to local and international moral values and are worthy representatives of Azerbaijan. Thank you for attention.